Ensuring that you get the right to help is important to us at Charles Stanley Direct. That's why we have a secure messaging system for you to use whenever you need support. Some things to bear in mind when using this particular service. Please don't use secure messages to send trading instructions or other urgent or time-sensitive matters. Please ring us on 0131 550 1234, 7:30am to 5pm, Monday to Friday instead. Do use secure messages to contact us for account information, technical issues, or with any other queries. Any messages sent using this tool are encrypted and stored securely. You can find the secure messages section on the site near the top of the page. If you want to send the help desk a message, you can click the Compose button. You then need to complete 4 fields near the top. Under 2, select Help Desk. Under Subject, write a few words to let the help desk know what the query is about, like my last dividend or trading query. Then, under Topic of Inquiry, select the one closest to your area of query. Finally, under Associated Account, please select the account to which your query relates. You'll see just below that you can send an attachment up to a size of 1 MB. Just below that, type your message and then click Send. You'll then see a confirmation on the screen that your message has been sent. For your records, you'll also be able to see it under your sent items. The help desk will then pick it up and reply to it. You'll receive an email to let you know that a response is waiting, with the subject of New Secure Message Notification. You can click on the Read Your Secure Message link within the email to go directly to this message, or you can click on the inbox. If you need to reply to this message, just click Reply and type your response on the screen that appears, then click Send just below. It's as simple as that.